Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I last uploaded a video and I know many you were waiting. Thank you for your patience. I'm a computer science student as you know, okay? And today I'm restarting this channel with a fresh mindset. In this channel I will teach programming and tech concept in very simple way and especially for the beginners. Okay, so today we will start C++ programming language from the basics to the advanced. So don't need to be worried too much. We will don't use for the we will don't use the complex words. Okay, only real concepts. Okay, practical examples. Okay, so if you were a first year student, okay, someone who is new to the programming, so this series is for you. So make sure please subscribe, like the videos and comment, okay, if you want to continue the series. Okay, and so before wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so today we will see what is the curriculum of this series. Okay, so I was divided this series into the phases. Okay, the first phase you see what is the programming. Okay, why C++. Okay, what it is used. Okay, how to install C++. Okay, and uh, first program in C++, hello world. Okay, structure of C's. Okay, and the basic programming, variables, constant, data types. Okay, and the phase 3 phase 3 control statement. Okay, if else if, switch cases, loops, while loops, do while loops, break. So you see what I'm going to use in it. Okay, what I will taught you in this series. Okay, and I just divided these phases into the phases because the biggest reason is that I don't need to complete the video in once go. Okay, because everyone is making the video is once go, that's good. Okay, the person who's a know the programming languages, okay, so that is good for them. Okay, but if you not just breaking the videos in the problems, okay, so that will is not beneficial for the students. Okay, because it you need to be learn programming with a clear and real and crystal concepts. Okay, and how would you grasp those concepts with the help of only the problems. Okay, if you do a lot of problems, then it will help you a lot to learn these topics. Okay, so what is a function? We will see in phase 4 what is a function, what declaration, definition, function call, return statement, pass by value, pass by reference. Okay, what is array? Okay, strings, 1D array, 2D array, basic problems on array. Okay, strings, string classes. This is the hottest topic and this is very important. I marked it as well as also because most of the peoples were confused over here, because what is a pointer syntax. Okay, and I challenge you, if you learn this thing, okay, then you learn whole the programming language. Okay, how the programming will work. Okay, you can easily try to understand how the computer are working, okay, behind the code. Okay, believe me. Okay, because this is the most important topic. Okay, once you learn this, then we will go for the object oriented programming. Okay, what is OOPS, what is classes, object, access, specifier, constructor, destructor. Okay, destructor, encapsulation, inheritance. We will cover all of these topics. Don't need to be worried too much. Okay, what is stale standard template libraries. Okay, vector, pair, list, tag, queues, map, set, iterator. And you you might some of the people's why this word is important, because if we learn the object oriented programming, then why are we going for the STL? Okay, because you are the beginner. Okay, because you are the beginner, that's why this question is coming into your mind. Okay, after the programming, just wait. After sorry After the programming, then you need to be master DSA, because it will help you to how the things to be work. Okay, it will help you to open your mind. Okay, it will help you to build logics in programming. Okay, so when you learning DSA, then these library is most important for you, because all the time you not making the classes for the stacks. You're not making the classes for queue, then you import the classes and then you solve the problem. Okay, it's very difficult for you. Okay, so that's why we're making the libraries. Okay, that's why we're learning the libraries to import these libraries in our program and solve the problem very easily. Okay, don't be worried too much. Okay, when the time is to come to learn these topics, I will explain you in very detailed way. Don't need to be worried too much about it. Okay, okay. Phase, sorry, this is phase, oh, so sorry for my bad, this is phase 9. Okay, practice and projects. So we will discuss programming projects. Okay, number guessing, game calculator, student management, many projects are using OOPS. So we will not gonna make this project, but we will make a lot of projects. We will do this kind of project as well as also this is the basic. Okay, but we will do more advanced project in C++, so you can understand how the programming is working. Okay, so today is enough for you. I just need to give you the introduction, what we gonna learn in this series. Okay, what are the curriculum in this series. So I hope all the people you like it. So let's learn and grow together. Thank you.